also would like to thank our former sports minister, Madan, who was responsible for actually sanctioning this project. Let's give a big hand to Madan also. And with that, I declare this stadium as inaugurated.
Today we have a screen LED and yang surok namun main entrance raksa tiga keempat ini usaha dikerja. Di bagian we minta sama kerja itu di sepotong dan kemudian kenang wa itu screen memang bocenang.
Intensify the activities for our youth. Apart from the different competitions that we have for entrepreneurship and business plan, different competitions we have for sports, different competitions that we have for music, we will be now starting to have competitions at a more detailed and micro level for sports as well as for music again, because we feel that there is a huge talent in music and our youth are not getting opportunity in music scene. And hence competitions will be held for music also. At the same time, we have also realized and we are now firm that not only sports and music, we would want to encourage our youth by having competitions in science. Districts will be asked to have innovation competitions, science competitions, and different competitions to promote and to motivate our youth to take interest in science and innovation. We will have competitions in mathematics so that our children will start to take interest in not just sports and music, but science and mathematics also. We would like our youth to start becoming enterprising from a young age, and hence the different chief ministers' entrepreneurship competition programs will also be brought down more micro at the district level. So my friends, so on and so forth, you will see much more activities now that will take place to engage our youth, to give opportunity to our youth, to ensure that our youth go in the right direction so that you do constructive things. And therefore, these different programs will be organized. And the Honorable Sports Minister is very keen to take sports to new heights for our state, and he has a target to ensure that Meghalaya becomes #1 in sports in the northeast at least. I can assure him and assure the people of the state that we will be 100% behind this target. We will support the infrastructure creation. We will support the associations. We will support the athletes. We will provide infrastructure. We will provide games like these so that our youth are able to excel in the sports. We were just discussing that we are very keen and we are making the necessary plans to have a football tournament very soon, which will be an inter-constituency tournament. All 60 constituencies will compete and contest, and we would want the constituencies to have players only from their constituency and no hiding will be allowed. This will allow different regions to compete, different constituency players to go to different parts of the state and see the other parts and other constituencies, compete against each other, learn from each other, and more importantly, bring harmony, peace, and unity among the people of our state. So friends, with these few words, I once again congratulate our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Master Madan, and the entire department for the kind of work that has been done today. This infrastructure is world class. World class, and today the people of Natyam constituency and of Jaiñtia Hills should feel proud that such an infrastructure has come up in Jaiñtia Hills. Maybe this is one of the best infrastructures that we have in the state. I congratulate our Honourable Minister, I congratulate our Deputy Chief Minister, and I congratulate each and every one of you on this particular day. I wish both the teams that are playing today the very best. I'm sure after 70 teams have been playing, this is the finals now. I wish all the players and the teams the very best. May the best team win. With these few words, I once again wish you all the very best. May God bless each and every one of us, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. God bless you.